There could be an isolated tornado. What does your outlook look like for areas of South Dakota for the slight risk area for tomorrow, July 15th, 2025? What we've got is a slight risk right here and marginal risk. This is going to be covering all of those areas. What's the rest of the U.S. look like for the 15th? General thunderstorms are in this lighter shade of green. So let's go ahead and kind of show you the timing of what this could be. And again, this is going to be mainly a wind and hail threat. There could be an isolated tornado. We're still waiting to see some information on that, but take a look at this on tonight, the 14th. Things are going to ramp up a little bit right there. And then once we get into tomorrow, that's going to be conditional because if all those clouds stick around in the morning and the afternoon, it may hinder this from coming through. But if it does, 5 p.m., big line of storms all the way back to Alliance, Winter, Miller, all the way up to Miller, South Dakota. And then we move that along. Here's a look at 6 p.m. We start to see that wind threat right here with that curvature there. And that would be sometime around 6 p.m. according to this model. And again, this is going to bring excessive rainfall throughout this, depending on how quickly these storms move through. We'll play this out a little bit further here. And you can see O'Neill impacted by that. O'Neill, Nebraska, Broken Bow, North Platte. And then we move that a little bit further, 10 p.m. By the time it gets to 11 p.m., Sioux Falls, this is going to probably push further south where all that dew points are. I mean, there's still plenty of dew points in Sioux Falls, but look at that. It's going to probably end up being more significant for the Nebraska, north central Nebraska area than anything else, as well as western portions of Sioux City, or I should say, western portions of Iowa, rather.